record year here in Lexington in terms of the amount of precipitation that has fallen, and still more records could fall as we progress throughout the course of the weekend, closing in on that wettest year on record in Frankfort and Jackson, as both locations are currently sitting in the second spot, and that doesn't include the rain that we have picked up since midnight today. And looking at some of those totals, these are coming from the Kentucky Mesonet. Franklin County has picked up over 3/4 of an inch, again, just since midnight. Similar story in Mercer County. Meanwhile, here at Fayette County, the site is at the corner of Manowar and Nicholasville Road. Since midnight again, 0.62 inches of rain have fallen. Meanwhile, working our way further to the south, those numbers begin to drop off. Only a few drops in Jackson County so far today. And the majority of the rain and wet weather this morning is falling across the heart of the bluegrass. We'll zoom in for a closer look on the Max track, and as you can see, there's some pockets of moderate to even heavy rain falling across much of Bourbon County, continuing into Fayette, Jessamine, and even Madison County too, where Richmond's dealing with a little bit of a downpour at the moment. And as we continue further to the south, activity is becoming a little bit more sparse and sporadic. That is going to be the trend as we continue throughout the course of the day. But overall, it is a wet start to the weekend. Also on the warm side, temperatures are already in the mid to upper 40s. That's warmer than our average high for this time of year. By lunchtime, temperatures creeping into the low 50s, and we'll round out your Saturday with highs in the mid 50s, and along the way still, rain will continue to fall. This is all thanks to a low that a couple days ago was back across Texas, bringing them some fierce winds, heavy rain, and even some snow on the western side. Well, now that low is on the move, sitting somewhere between Memphis and, let's say, Nashville first thing this morning. We're dealing with the northern side of that low, and as that continues to spiral and track a little bit further to the east as we go throughout the day, we're going to be losing the widespread rain and instead trading it for more scattered showers as early as this afternoon. So if you do have to head out this morning, be prepared for just soggy, wet, rainy conditions. Into the afternoon, that more widespread rain begins to track north of I-64. Then you will notice that counterclockwise circulation with the rain on future track. That is the low moves into East Tennessee. Still, rain is going to be hanging on into the evening hours. So if you do have holiday parties, keep the rain gear handy, but after midnight, look how quickly that rain begins to shut down. There may still be a few straggling showers across eastern Kentucky towards the start of the day tomorrow, but Lexington will be dry, and it looks like we'll even sneak in some sunshine before weekend's end. In terms of rain, we've already seen about an inch or so in some spots, and we do stand the chance, especially north of I-64, to see an additional 1 to 1.5 inches of rain, but those numbers really drop off further to the south as it looks like your shower coverage into the afternoon will be pretty sparse. Real concentration will be for the bluegrass and points further to the north. After that warm day today, we are going to be cooling off slightly through the back half of the weekend, but still running above normal even as we continue through the final days of fall, as winter will officially begin on Friday. So today we are tracking a wet and gloomy one with off and on rain. When it's not raining, some patchy fog could be around, and temperatures will rise into the mid 50s. Overnight, we're cooler as showers diminish after midnight. More fog will be around to kickstart the day tomorrow, but then we'll see some rays of sunshine before your Sunday wraps up. 48 for a high, dropping a few more degrees into Monday. Sunshine will prevail through the middle of the upcoming week as temperatures rebound. However, as we look towards the start of winter on Friday, we are tracking rain, which could end with a little bit of snow on Friday afternoon. We'll have more LEX 18 News to Sunrise Weekends coming up after this.